BittyBrush. Hello, let's draw a Santa Claus bag. A rope and a bow. Perfectly. And now let's draw two gifts. Great! Gift number 2. Good! Let's paint Santa's bag red. Perfectly. A rope and a yellow bow. A green gift. And a red ribbon. A blue gift. What a beautiful bag. I wonder what's inside. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.